In this video, I'm going to show you how to pixelate an image in Photopea. First, open your project in Photopea and select the image you want to pixelate. At the top of the screen, click on the Filter menu. From the drop-down, hover over Pixelate, and from the side menu that appears, select Mosaic. A slider will then appear, allowing you to control the intensity of the pixelation. Moving the slider to the right increases the size of the pixels, making your image more pixelated. Adjust it until you achieve the desired effect, then click OK to apply the effect to the entire image. Your image will now appear perfectly pixelated. If you only want to pixelate a specific area, such as a person's face or a particular object, you can do that as well. On the left-hand side of the screen, right-click on the Selection tool to see the available selection options, including Rectangular Select, Elliptical Select, and Lasso tool for custom shapes. For round or oval areas like a face, choose the Elliptical Select tool and draw around the area you want to pixelate. Adjust the selection to ensure it covers the object precisely. Once your selection is active, go back to the Filter menu, hover over Pixelate, and choose Mosaic again. Use the slider to determine the level of pixelation for the selected area, then click OK. Finally, press Ctrl+D to deselect the selection, leaving only the chosen part pixelated while the rest of the image remains unchanged. This ensures your image looks clean and professional, and this is how you can pixelate an image in Photopea.